I'm sure there's a million videos out on YouTube about the MILWAUKEE M18 cordless power tools. I bought this set right here, which included the cordless drill, impact driver, and the charger. They each came with a battery. And I was so pleased with those. I also bought a circular saw, a vacuum, and a jig saw. So I primarily used these in making everything that I made inside the van. A lot of it involved cutting plywood that I think it's 11/32 or something like that. Cutting it with this framing saw, and even though it says framing, it actually did a very good job of cutting the plywood. So here are some video clips showing each tool in action. One thing I wish my Milwaukee skill saw came with was the rip fence kit, and I intend to buy that next time, but I did borrow one, not a Milwaukee one, but somebody else's brand. I'm close to straight.
I hate to say it, the old Sears thing is cuts way easier to cut with. I don't really know why.
I did remove the guard from the front. I wish I could remove this guard, and I might do that because I can't see very well when I'm cutting through there. But it takes these kind of saw blades with that kind of an end. I don't know what that's called, but I think it's called like a T or something. One thing I really do like about this is the blades install without any tools. You just pull this lever, there we go. I love those guys. The vacuum I bought is the MILWAUKEE M18 compact vacuum. It comes with a bunch of attachments, which are pretty nice, either stiff hoses or flexible hoses and little crevice tools. And I find it extremely useful for vacuuming my car. So I really like how you just squeeze the trigger, it starts sucking, let off, stops. I don't have a lot of stuff in here, but I will try to show you how to empty this. A little latch here that opens up. and all your dirt falls out. Then you just close it back up and do some more vacuuming. It's pretty sweet. My only complaint on this entire set of tools, I'm very, very happy with everything about every single one of them, is this little rubber piece popped out of here. And no matter what I try to do, it just won't go back. Not a big deal at all, but that's the only thing I don't love about these tools. So I think the batteries that came with my tool are this size, and at Home Depot I bought 2 more batteries, which are this size. I think they even make a larger battery, this high demand one. But I do wish I had a couple more of these size batteries plus another charger. So all these tools have this M18 battery system, which is super easy. You just slide that out and the battery comes out. And then when you want to charge it, you put it in the charger and it starts charging. You can see the red light. And when it is charging, it uses about 76 watts of power, which I'm always charging it with my Goal Zero. I'll put links to all these tools in the video description, and thanks for watching.